Hello everyone, as you can see, we have the GoPro 10 in front of us, and this is something I have been waiting for a while. I skipped the 9. I do have a 7 as well as an 8, but I really was looking forward to getting the front-facing screen that the 9 had, but I knew that they were going to be replacing the processor that was in the GoPro with the new GP2, as it says there. So I was kind of just waiting for the next revision because really I don't do a lot of vlogging with the GoPro itself. I just basically use it when I go out to like theme parks and water slides and stuff like that. So you know, it wasn't a big deal that I didn't have the screen, but it was something that was going to be nice to have. What we're going to be doing today is unboxing the 10, see what comes in the HERO10 Black accessories bundle, and see what we've got here. So I did order this on release day, and it came in 2 days, I believe. Looking forward to taking a closer look at this. I did go ahead and I was able to get a discount because I am a GoPro subscriber, and it did come with the 32 gigabyte micro SD card as well. And then on top of that, since I am an American Express user, every once in a while they have some deals, and I highly recommend you taking a look at it if you do use an American Express as well. So I was able to get an additional $40 off of this as well. So super happy with that. So let's go ahead and unbox the GoPro Hero 10. Like I said, this is the accessories bundle. So if you get the base one, it's not going to come with everything that's in here. So let's go ahead and take this out. And I like the case that this comes with. Actually, something I should say, so it is going to come with an extra battery, a clip, as well as the Shorty as well. So there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the case. All right, so let's go ahead and unzip this. So it looks like we do need to install an update before we can actually use that. So that'll be in a different video, possibly. We'll see how well that comes out. I'll put that over there. Got a nice clip for your hat. There we go. It's got a good grip. You can also put it on your shirt as well as on a like a strap for like a backpack or something else like that. Battery 1 and then battery 2. And the 10 can use the same batteries that goes with the GoPro 9 as well. Important to say that. So we've got instructions as far as how to get everything set up, as well as some stickers. Okay. Questions. And 2 clamps, or sleds, I guess I should say. One with a high one with a low one. The helmet mount, 2 screws. USB-C to USB-A cable. And then I believe, yeah, we've got a Shorty in here. I really like these Shorties. I like them because you can get a good extra little length there, and then it's got the stand as well. So I like these stands quite a bit. And then got the GoPro itself. Very nice. I don't know why it's not having a hard time getting that off. There we go. And so, yeah, I mean, basically it's the exact same form factor as the 9. Not only can you use the same batteries, but you can use the same case, like case mods and stuff like that as well. Something that I really like about this camera is the fact that they did a good job at keeping this on here as far as not having to use like an external case or anything like that to be able to use the accessories, which I really like. There's quite a bit of other things that you can do with the 10. I'm not really going to go into that in this video. I basically just wanted to show you what comes in the accessories bundle. So with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. We'll do more videos with the 10, and I've got a vacation coming up, so we'll be showing off the 10 in action in future videos. If you have any questions about the camera, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, and me myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well. And with that, have a great day.